Hi, in front of me is Motorola RAZR 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply colorful edges on this device. Firstly, open Play Store, then type edges and download this app from this developer. Now open it and tap on one of these themes, for example that one. Name it, click OK Creative, and close an ad. Over here you can customize your edges. For example, you can change run style, add pattern, and many other things like animation speed or size of them. When you're done, but you want to leave your current wallpaper, pick one of these sources like photos, choose a photo, adjust it. Then tap at the top right corner, and when you're done, click Create. Now tap on the theme that you created and choose Enable Wallpaper. Set wallpaper and pick if you want it to be on home screen or home screen and lock screen by tapping on one of these options. Now when I go back, I can see that my edges were successfully applied, but if you want to see them when you use apps, tap on the app again, scroll down, choose Enable Overlay Other App by tapping on the switcher, clicking Yes, tapping on the switcher again and going back. Now go back to the app, scroll all the way down and tap on the switcher one more time. As you can see, now I can see my edges every time I use one of my apps. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!